Yo, what is up and welcome to another video. My name is Chill. Join me today, guys, and we are going to talk about the Bitcoin's price, what will be the possible price action in the coming days, and of course, Ethereum Dencun upgrade is happening tomorrow. Could there be a sell the news event? So let's talk about Ethereum, and of course, let's find some good trades today. So join me, and if you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas.
All right, so it's been quite a while since I did my last stream. So today we are back, guys. I've been busy in the past few weeks, and right now we're back. So we'll talk about charts, and I'm gonna update you with some of the previous trades as well, like Ethereum, ETC. XRP is doing quite pretty well, and I'm still holding my trade actually. And Dencun upgrade is happening tomorrow. 21 hours to go. Welcome to the live stream, Emmanuel. Thanks for joining us. And today, this week, we have reached the 10,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for all the trust and support. And of course, next target is going to be 100,000 subs. So let's hope that probably by the end of this year, we can maybe reach half of that, 50,000. Let's see. So Dencun upgrade is happening tomorrow, guys, and the main goal of this upgrade is to reduce the gas fee on the Ethereum's blockchain, because right now the gas fee are just ridiculous. So if you are trading NFTs, or if you are using Ethereum as your blockchain, you know that the fees are quite ridiculous. So the main purpose of this Dencun upgrade is to reduce the gas fee on the Ethereum's blockchain. So probably we'll see a lot of projects developing on the Ethereum's blockchain, and probably we'll see a lot of use case in the coming years for Ethereum, guys. So overall, this upgrade is gonna be a bullish upgrade for the Ethereum's blockchain, and of course it will affect the Ethereum's price. And right now Ethereum have reached the $4,000 target, guys. So I'm gonna share with you the possible resistance and possible short entry point for Ethereum. And by the way, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So if there could be a sell the news event, where should we short Ethereum? So in the short term, I'm expecting Ethereum to continue to go up higher. And today I'm going to share with you that very important zone that you need to keep an eye on. So also one bullish news for MasterCard and MetaMask, guys. With MasterCard, MetaMask test first blockchain-powered payment card. So this is another good news in the overall crypto environment, guys, because if we can use, we are slowly moving towards crypto. And right now we have this major institutions, we have the asset managers joining the game, and banks are also FOMOing into the Bitcoin ETF, guys. So probably we are in the future, we might probably use crypto as the main source of payment. So we are 20 hours away, 20 hours, 57 minutes, and 29 seconds away from the Ethereum Dencun upgrade. So let's hope that the upgrade is gonna be smooth, because if there's like any delays, then we could see a probably a panic in the market and volatility in the Ethereum's price. So right now, if you have been following my previous live stream, our main target was $3,500, which is this one right here. And I have told you guys that Ethereum is 1 month behind Bitcoin when it comes to price action. So as what you can see, this area right here was the previous local top of Bitcoin as well. This was the level that I was talking about. And right now, Bitcoin managed to break the previous all-time high. So probably in the coming days, we might see Ethereum as well breaking that previous all-time high. So this is going to be the resistance level that you need to keep an eye on. So we have a previous wick right here for Ethereum, guys, and probably we might see Ethereum continue to move up to 4,400 level, and we might see some rejection at around this area right here. This was the previous pivot point last May 2021, and we have seen Ethereum drop or getting rejected from this level, guys. Look at this move. It's a huge drop from this level, almost 67% drop. And of course, we have several trades and several rejections previously around this level. So keep an eye on this zone, guys. 4,245 up to $4,400. So we might see this kind of price action in the coming days. Thanks for back again. Which altcoin are going to buy now? So I will be looking at the AI ecosystem right now, because I think there is a huge potential in AI in the future, guys. Especially right now, we are moving towards AI. Cars are using AI. ChatGPT, OpenAI, closed AI. So we are moving towards that narrative. So watch out for AI tokens. I'm going to share with you AI tokens. I'm going to make a separate video on that one because there are also a lot of AI tokens or fake AI tokens that are not actually AIs, but they're just using the name of AI to join the narrative, guys. So I'm going to make a separate video on that one, and I'm going to share with you the top AI coins that I will be buying soon. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to like this video and click that notification bell. So this is going to be the resistance zone that I will be looking at for Ethereum, guys. So probably tomorrow we might see a short pump after the upgrade, and then probably a sell the news event. We have a huge order block acting as support at around 3,300 up to 3,500 level. So keep an eye on this support as well if you want to DCA and buy more Ethereum. And of course, for long term, we have this beautiful support trend line, guys. So congratulations to those who were able to hold on to their trades. And I have already, by the way, took some profit on my Bitcoin as promised, or as I previously told you that I'm going to sell my Bitcoin at around 69 when we reach the 69,000 level. And next sell point is going to be at $80,000 and $95,000 for Bitcoin. So I have sold twice, one at around 61,500, and second I've sold at around 69,500. So on our way up, I'm gonna continue to sell, guys, and I'm gonna be holding some for very long term, but of course I'm gonna sell majority of it, and I'm gonna continue to just buy once we see the next cycle, bear market cycle. Another one is XRP, guys. XRP, as what I've told you, we might see XRP move up up to $1 area, and short-term target is going to be at around $0.75. And in short term, we have hit that target already. So congratulations to those who are following me on Twitter. And of course, if you have watched my analysis about XRP, I was very, very clear that I was going on long at around 0.49 up to 0.53. This was the major support trend line, guys. And also, previous resistance turned into a support. Beautiful bounce from 0.5 area. And right now, we have hit the 0.75 for XRP. And of course, watch out, guys, because XRP, if you're going to zoom out, also on the weekly time frame, I've mentioned this multiple bullish divergence that was forming on the oscillator. Look at this, guys. Bullish divergence, a double bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Be open to new gems. Chill. Check out chart of space. It's $26 currently. All right. So going back to XRP, guys. This major resistance trend line right now, XRP is about to break this major resistance trend line. So this was our short-term target here, 61.8 Fibonacci retracement golden ratio level. We have hit this target, and that was around 50%, I believe. 50% from our previous buy zone here. But once we see that breakout, guys, expect XRP to move up and hit the $1 target, 0.9, which is the ideal breakout target, or the target for this bullish bat pattern. But if you are going to zoom out on the weekly time frame, there is still a chance that XRP would probably move up to 1.3, which is the 161.8 Fibonacci level, guys. And looking at this pattern, the ideal breakout target will be the top of the symmetrical triangle pattern, which will give us this area right here for long term, 1.2 up to 1.3. But short term or medium term target remains at 0.9 up to $1 area, which is the 100% Fibonacci retracement level. So keep an eye on this level. We still have enough gas to move up, guys. As what you can see, the oscillator here using Chart Prime Oscillator Pro is already trading above this zero level. So that means that our oscillator is looking bullish right now. The bullish divergence, double bullish divergence, is playing out well so far. So we still have enough gas before we reach that overbought area. Can you have a look at Myro, please, from Brownie? Also, Sheila is joining us. What do you think about ARB? So after all the charts here, we'll talk about some of the altcoins, and probably we'll look some live trades. So stay tuned and reserve your chart requests, guys. We're gonna look at them after these charts right here. So again, some of you are asking which indicator I am using in most of my charts. So I'm using majority or Chart Prime, almost Chart Prime. So I'm using Market Dynamics Pro. As what you can see, I haven't turned on the signal mode, but there is a signal mode here which you can actually turn on, and you can see like the buy signal and sell signal, guys. And of course, the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro can detect automatic divergences and overbought area, oversold area, bullish flip and bearish flip. So you can activate that one on the setting of your oscillator, guys. So you can also change this to Trend Fusion Oscillator and MVP Oscillator. Also, you can turn on the bands if you would like to use the band here. So right now we are on the green zone, which means the oscillator is still looking pretty much bullish on the Ethereum's weekly time frame, guys. Watch out for that weekly candle close above the resistance trend line. That will be our signal that we will be breaking out from this symmetrical triangle pattern. So keep an eye on XRP. I'm still holding my long position on XRP, almost 2,000% profit right now. So I think I've shared it earlier on my Twitter account. So here's my XRP ETC trade as well. I'm still holding my ETC, guys. XRP, this reached 2,000% today using 75x leverage. And I will be talking about leverage and how to use position size leverage, how to play with your leverage soon. I'm going to make a separate video on that because I've seen a lot of confusion online about leverage and position size and margin. So next one is Bitcoin. I've shared this chart earlier. And by the way, all charts in TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So short term, beautiful, beautiful trade. Let me just check my trade here. Just give me 1 minute. All right. I'll just take some profit on my trade, guys. All right. So XRP, beautiful rejection from this trap area. And if you're going to look at the lower time frames, Bitcoin is actually forming a rising wedge pattern, guys. And we haven't actually reached the resistance trend line or the rejection area, but it looks like, let's see. Let me just move this up to this level. So Bitcoin is actually forming a rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern, guys. So watch out for a possible break of support here. So short term, we have this zone acting as a support for Bitcoin. So look at 67 short term. We have order block at around this level, 68,000 up to 67,800. Order block around 13.13%. So small support is on this area, guys. 67,800 up to $68,000 for Bitcoin. So short term, we are in profit, guys. This is actually one of the trades that I have shared in our Discord. Power trade, beautiful, beautiful trade as well. Bitcoin is in profit right now, 263%. So previously, I have shared this one in our Discord, guys. So Ramadan Kareem to all our Muslim brothers who are celebrating Ramadan. Wait a little bit before you enter. Candle looking super bullish. These are my short-term targets. I have set limit order at 72,300. So I was very exact on this number right here. $72,300 was my entry on this trade. Today we have higher expected ETF buy orders. So also one of the reasons why Bitcoin keeps on going up because of the ETF inflows, guys. So ETF inflows coming from BlackRock and Fidelity keeps on going up, guys. And of course, we have the halving coming this April. That will reduce the amount of Bitcoin being created. And also, if ETF, spot Bitcoin ETF demand continues, guys. So there will be imbalance between the supply and demand for Bitcoin. So if the demand is higher and the supply is less, then the price will continue to move up. But if the demand is low compared to the supply, then the price would go down. That's the law of supply and demand. So right now we have a lot of demand coming from spot Bitcoin ETF, and also Bitcoin halving will reduce the amount of Bitcoin that is going to be minted, guys. So it will be reduced into half. From 6 Bitcoins, it will be reduced to 3 Bitcoin per block. And also, we are right now on the extreme greed level, guys. 92. This is the highest so far. So fear and greed index, Bitcoin fear and greed index is at 92. Extreme fear market is on the extreme greed, rather. Market is extremely greedy right now. So be extra careful with your trades right now, especially going on long, on top. So be careful. Do not FOMO, not a financial advice. You might be left holding the bags when we see that final shakeout, guys. Next one is Ethereum Classic. So let's talk about Ethereum Classic. So my target for Ethereum Classic was $37 to $40 area. So that was a 120 or 117% move from our buy zone here. Of course, majority of the altcoins right now are forming bearish divergence on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame, guys. When does Ethereum Dencun upgrade complete? That is going to happen tomorrow, guys. Ethereum Dencun upgrade is going to happen tomorrow, 20 hours and 39 minutes. So keep an eye on this upgrade. I'm gonna share the countdown in our free public Telegram group, so feel free to join. The link is on the description down below. You will see exclusive trade updates on our Telegram group, and of course, if you want to join our Discord, guys, where we can continue our talk, and you can request some chats or charts, and of course, I'm sharing my live trades there most of the time in our Discord community, guys. Bitcoin right now is doing pretty well, and this is going to be the level that I will be keeping an eye on for Ethereum, so watch out for tomorrow's event, Dencun upgrade. It will reduce the gas fee on the Ethereum's blockchain. So again, majority of the altcoins right now are forming bearish divergence. So here on ETC, guys, we have bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. And on Ethereum, looking at the daily time frame, we have double bearish divergence as well, forming on the oscillator. For Bitcoin, this is actually Bitstamp. So for Bitcoin, let's see the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is on the overbought area, and on the daily time frame, the oscillator is looking bearish, guys. Oscillator is moving down. All right, double overbought area here. So also bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Short-term target for this rejection is going to be this fair value gap, guys. We have this support an order block on the daily time frame at around 61,500 up to $63,600. All right. So let me know if you have any questions, clarifications, short requests. Drop them in the comment section down below.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so let me see our live chat. Look at Hex, had a big dump yesterday. Good buy opportunity. So we have Hexicans in our Crypto SW follow. Who puts money in Hex? I think the founder, the founder is still, I think, still hiding, guys. I don't know the recent update with the Richard. I forgot his name, but I saw one good documentary on Netflix, guys. Go check it out. It's a good documentary about Hex. So let's go check out ARB, probably ARB. So again, we have several bearish divergence, guys. Several bearish divergence forming on the oscillator. So on the daily time frame, it looks like ARB is probably gonna drop up to 1.7 up to 1.6 short term. We have actually a symmetrical triangle pattern here, which is bullish. So probably we're looking at $3 area if the price is going to break above this resistance trend line at around 2.2. But for short term, watch out for this support trend line, guys. So let's see. This is going to be the breakout point here for ARB. So this is the level. Support, key, support, level, slash breakout point. So watch out for this very specific level, guys, 1.69. If the price or the daily candle closes below this level, then that will be our confirmation for a further move to the downside. For now, ARB is approaching the support trend line. So short term, we might see a bounce or buy pressure at around 1.8 short term. But we have actually a huge order block at around 1.69 up to 1.7, guys. So short term, we have buy pressure here. Bullish order block level. So we might see a bounce once the price reach this order block for ARB. And of course, if you are going to zoom out, this is forming a bull flag with a symmetrical triangle pattern here. and short-term support trend line is around 1.8, and breakout target is going to be at 3.16. What is Ethereum Dencun? Dencun upgrade is again a hard fork. They are going to do a hard fork on the Ethereum's blockchain, and that will actually, the main purpose of Dencun upgrade is to reduce the gas fee on Ethereum's blockchain. BTC is falling. So again, guys, this was already predicted for Bitcoin, guys. So if you are following me on Twitter, I've shared this chart and I've shared this trade, guys, on my Twitter account. So trap is working right now, short term. So what you can see here, let me share with you the tweet. So be sure to follow me, guys. If you want to stay up to date, with my latest trades, be sure to follow me on Twitter. Latest trades and updates, I'm sharing it here. March 6th. So I've shared this March 6th when Bitcoin was trading at around $67,000. I was already expecting a trap at around 71,000 up to 72,300. And if you are in our Discord, guys, I have clearly mentioned here, wait a little bit before you enter a short position, of course. Candle looking super bullish. These are my short-term targets. I have set limit order at $72,300 for Bitcoin. And right now we are looking at that beautiful, beautiful rejection from this trap level, guys. So short-term target remains up to 63,000. But of course, you need to keep an eye on the inflows coming from the spot Bitcoin ETF. But again, I would like to remind you that right now, we are on the extreme greed level, guys. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is on the extreme greed level, all right? So if you're going to check out the history of Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, so we are right now on the extreme greed, guys. And if you're going to look at this maximum, Bitcoin have reached this level only very few times. And every time Bitcoin reaches this level, usually we see a correction at around 30 to 50%, guys. So right now, be extra careful, be extra cautious with your trades right now, because Bitcoin, if Bitcoin drop by 5 to 10%, majority of the altcoins are going to bleed very hard. So if Bitcoin drop by 30%, expect altcoin to drop by more than 30%. All right, so we are right now on the 90%, 92%, guys, using coin market cap extreme fear and greed index indicator here. And we are 35 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. And if you are following me on this channel, again, I am expecting a short-term final shakeout before the next Bitcoin halving. So within the next 2 months, we might see that final shakeout. And that is going to be our last, in my own opinion, that will be our last opportunities to those who have missed buying Bitcoin, buying altcoin, holding long-term bags. This is going to be the last opportunity to buy and accumulate for long term. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'm going to continue to update you on my Twitter account, so make sure you're following me on my social media accounts. And of course, join our free public Telegram group. And if you want to request some chart, and if you want to continue our chat, join our Discord community, guys. So thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like, smash that like button. It helps a lot. And thank you for subscribing to the channel. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.